Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Splash Resort 907W. It's a none-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, beachfront, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a fitness center. Splash Resort 907W is located on the beachfront in Panama City Beach, a few steps from Panama City Beach and a 6-minute walk from Laguna Beach. The property is around 2.6 miles from Russell-Fields Pier, 2.9 miles from Pier Park and 3.3 miles from Gulf World Marine Park. Every room comes with a patio with pool views and free Wi-Fi. All rooms at the hotel feature air conditioning, a TV with cable channels, DVD player, and a private bathroom with a bath or shower, a hairdryer and free toiletries. All rooms have a coffee machine, while selected rooms also feature a kitchen with a dishwasher, a microwave and a fridge. At Splash Resort 907W the rooms come with bed linen and towels. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.